This is Sitio target, Sapang Bato, Angeles City, Pampanga. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, it left a landscape of massive destruction and desolation covering a vast of volcanic ash.
Rockin adventure.
Sapang Bato and Sapang Uwak are still very much covered in pyroclastic materials from the eruption. For the true adventure seekers, the place offers a surreal off-road experience. 4x4, UTVs and Enduro motorcycles riders adventure often comes here for a thrill-seeking adventure. But be warned, whatever the season may be, you will definitely get wet and dirty when exploring the trails, so be sure to bring extra clothes with you. Thank you for watching. Support my channel. Like and subscribe.